Are you having trouble with the Find My iPhone feature being grayed out on your device? This can happen due to various reasons, including restrictions, iCloud issues, or software glitches. Don't worry, this guide will provide you with clear, step-by-step instructions to help you fix the issue. So let's get started. Solution 1. Check iCloud settings. Open Settings. Tap on your name at the top. Check if Find My iPhone is turned on. If it's grayed out, you may need to sign out and back into your iCloud account. For that, open Setting, scroll down, tap Log Out, enter your password. Now try to log back in again and see what happens. Solution 2. Check for restrictions. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on Screen Time, scroll down, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Enter your screen time passcode if prompted. Select Allowed Apps. Ensure that Find My iPhone is allowed. Go back. Now turn off content and privacy restrictions. After that, swipe down from the top. Turn off low power mode on iPhone after that. Restart your iPhone. Solution 3. Restart all settings. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, select Reset and then reset all settings. This won't delete your data, but it will restart system settings. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of Find My iPhone being grayed out. If problems persist, don't hesitate to ask for additional help.